Do you want to hide blue ticks on WhatsApp? You can disable blue ticks on WhatsApp with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To hide blue ticks on WhatsApp chat conversations. First, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Once you're in WhatsApp, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner. If you're using an iPhone, tap on Settings at the bottom right. From the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. Now, a new screen will appear. Tap on Privacy from the list of options. Scroll down and look for the option Read Receipts. Tap and turn off the toggle switch next to Read Receipts. Once turned off, blue ticks will no longer appear when you read someone's message. Now, your WhatsApp messages will show only gray ticks, keeping your activity more private.